Windbell Electrics is a high-tech company located in Zhengzhou National High and New Technology Industries Development Zone, began to manufacturing air compressor from year 2006. In year 2011, Windbell Machinery was registered as an independent subsidiary of Windbell Electrics. Windbell Machinery has responsible employees equipped with 50 testing machines working in the plant area of 3,200 square meter. A qualified profile R&D team with experience in developing products with GHH RAND and Rotor Comp has 13 patents granted. The company can produce 4,000 air compressors every year. We believe that without a good quality management system, you cannot make good quality products. With ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and CE certifications, the company aims to be a pioneer in offering consumers efficient, energy-saving, and environment-friendly solutions in the application of air compressor. Based on its R&D output, the company has successfully applied its solutions to the field of mining, tunneling, outdoor construction, and its technology also facilitates the production of medical oxygen generators and textile equipment. Our electrical stationary screw air compressor from 7.5 to 75 kilowatts is equipped with turbo radial fan, which is more efficient and quiet. The products are sold to Southeast Asia, South America, Central Asia, Middle East, Africa, and America. Welcome to visit our factory if you are convenient.